If you want to use spatial audio on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your sound and vibration tab. So here we're gonna find our hollow audio. There it is. So in our hollow audio, first of all, we have to choose an audio output device, what you're using, speaker or headphones. I will be using speaker, and now simply tap here to enable it. So you can set it up on auto, which automatically chooses the best spatial location for each audio source, or you can press custom, and here you can adjust it. So choose the ringtone, choose the transparency of it, and whether you're gonna be low or below. So I'll use an auto, and we can press listen. Well, basically that's how it works. So when you are done and don't want to use this option anymore, simply tap on the switch near your hollow audio, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.